Today you are going to learn about the pairs of angle formed when two lines cut by a transversal or another line. Transversal means the line crossing the other two lines. So transversal is a line which is passing through other two lines. So here you are going to learn about different pairs of angles formed when two lines cut by a transversal. So before going to learn, take your notebook and draw this figure. Draw two lines and cut the lines by another line and mark the angles like this. And first pair of angles formed, see I have marked some pairs of angles here. These angles are interior angles. We call these angles interior angles. Interior means inside. Yes, the same position of the angle. According to the position of the angle, we classify angles. Here you can see all the four angles lies inside the lines. So these angles are interior angles. Next pair of angles are exterior angle. So draw figure like this and mark the angles like this. Here two lines cut by transversal or two lines cut by another line, and I have marked four angles here. Then what is the property of this angle? Yes, all these angles are outside the lines. Therefore, we call this angle exterior angle. These angles are called exterior angle because these angles lies in the exterior of the lines. Next pair of angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means angles on the same position. See, here I have marked two pairs. You also draw two lines, cut it by transversal. All these figures you should draw separately. Okay, so draw figure and mark the angles. And I have marked one pair of angles. These are called corresponding angles. Why these are called corresponding angles? See the position of the angle above the line and right side of the transversal. And the second angle also above the line and right side of the transversal. So these two angles are lies same position. That's why they are called corresponding angle. So more pairs of corresponding angles you can find from the figure. Here I have marked all pairs of corresponding angles. You also mark corresponding angles like this using different colors. The next pairs of angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are angles on alternate interior. From the name itself it is clear that they are alternate means opposite side. Alternate opposite side of the transversal, and interior means inside the lines. So alternate interior angles, alternate opposite sides of the transversal, and this is one pair and this is the second pair. Second pairs are this one. The next pairs are co-interior angle or pairs of angles on the same side of the transversal. See the position of the angle. They are same side of the transversal and interior inside the lines. Okay, let's continue. Here the corresponding angles are not equal. Now the angles are not parallel, they meeting each other. Now I am making the angle same 99. See what happened to the lines. See the lines are now parallel. So when two lines are parallel, how we can make two parallel lines? When we construct these type of corresponding angles, equal corresponding angles, when two lines are parallel, its corresponding angles are equal. To make parallel lines, construct corresponding angles equal, then we will get a parallel line. When we change the angle, it will become non-parallel. See, now it is not non-parallel. So this 89, this one we can change it to 89. It will become parallel. See the lines. Now I made the angle equal. Now the lines are parallel. When we change the angle, the lines are not parallel. So from this activity, what we learn? See, to make if two lines are parallel, its corresponding angles are equal. Next we check about the alternate interior angles. What about the alternate interior angle? See, now the alternate interior angles are equal, therefore the lines are parallel. Now I am changing the alternate interior angles. What happened to the lines? See, the lines are not parallel. When we change the one of the alternate interior angle, now they are not equal, so lines are not parallel. Now I am making this angle 84. See the lines. What happened to the lines? Now the lines are parallel. See, they never meet. See, when we extend the line. So when two lines are parallel, if its alternate interior angles are equal. Next we check condition for co-interior angles. When co-interior angles, we learned corresponding angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Alternate interior angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Then here, what about the co-interior angles? If the lines are parallel, then the co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum should be 180 degree. See, now the lines are not parallel. Now add the co-interior angles. 113 plus 52 is equal to 165 only. They are not supplementary. Now I am going to make this angle supplementary. Here the 67 angle. 65, 66, 67. Okay. So the left side also 113 and 67. Add 113 and 67. How many? 180. When I made this angle supplementary, now the angles become parallel. See, the lines are now parallel. When we change the measure of this one, what will happen? The lines are not parallel. When we make this angle supplementary, here 67 is there, make it 113. 111, 112, 113. Now the lines are parallel. So from this activity, what we can understand, when two lines are parallel, then its co-interior angles are supplementary. See, when I am changing this angle, now they are not supplementary. Add the angles, they are not 180 degree, then the lines are not parallel. See, the lines will meet in the infinity. They are not parallel. Now look like parallel, but it will meet in the infinity. See, it will meet somewhere else. See, it is meeting here. When we extend the lines, it will meet. Why it is meeting? Because these angles are not supplementary. Now make this angle supplementary. Angles are not supplementary. Now make this angle supplementary. Here 122 and 68. Here 68 is there, and make this 122. 168 is 122 and 68 is there. So 122 plus 68, how many? 190. It is not supplementary, so we want to make it 58. Make it 58. Okay. Then here we want to change it to 58 is there up 122. Change this to 122. 21, 22. See the lines. Now the lines are parallel. When we made these angles supplementary, now the lines will become parallel. Today we have learned different pairs of angles formed by two lines and its transversal. Then next we have learned how to make two pairs of lines parallel, the conditions to make two lines parallel. Thank you.